What if everything you've ever struggled with online, every failed attempt, every confusing system, every almost moment, wasn't because you weren't good enough, but because the entire game was designed to make traffic impossible for the average person? What if the reason you haven't broken through is simply because no tool, no app, and no method has ever given you a real chance? Today, that ends. Because for the first time, there is an AI app that actually removes the grinding, the guessing, the building, the ranking, and gives you something nobody has ever experienced before. Instant, real, Google-powered traffic with nothing more than a link and a keyword. No website, no content, no SEO, no waiting. And that AI app is Allure AI. This isn't another SEO helper. It isn't another ranking trick. It isn't another traffic method that needs 60 days of testing. Allure AI uses real-time search behavior to detect where people are already clicking and puts your link right into the flow of that traffic. No effort, no writing, no strategy. You paste your link, type a keyword, and the traffic begins. Imagine the power of that. Imagine skipping the struggle everyone else is still stuck in. Imagine finally having something that gives you the results you've been chasing for years, instantly. Think about the last time you tried to get traffic. The tutorials, the waiting, the writing, the SEO rules, the competition, the ads that drained your money, the tools that made promises but delivered nothing. Think about how exhausting that was. And now imagine the complete opposite. Imagine opening an app, entering your link, choosing your keyword, clicking once, and walking away while buyers start landing on your page. No stress, no pressure, no complicated setup. Just results. Real results. That's what Allure AI gives you. And it works for everyone. Beginners who don't even know where to start. People with no experience, no following, and no website. Affiliate marketers who want commissions today. E-com owners who need traffic now. Coaches and service providers who want leads. CPA marketers who rely on volume. Even local business owners who just want people walking through the door. If you have a link, Allure AI sends traffic. It's that simple. And the proof, it's in the people using it. Peter, a 43-year-old security guard with nothing but his phone, woke up to 17 commissions the next day. Lisa, who spent 2 years trying everything under the sun, saw her first sales before she got home. Mark, an Uber driver with no laptop, got 11 commissions while driving. These are not gurus. They're real people, finally seeing real results. Because Allure AI does the work they were never able to do on their own. And when you join today, you're not just getting the app, you're getting lifetime access. Pay once, use forever. No monthly fees, no hidden charges, no limitations. You get commercial rights. So you can offer traffic as a service to clients and keep 100% of the money. While Allure AI handles the work in seconds, you get the full mobile edition. So you can build traffic campaigns from anywhere. Your bed, your couch, your job, even while traveling. You get complete training, step by step, so you always know exactly what to do, and you get world-class support, ready to help whenever you need it. But the real reason this moment matters is because this might be the first time in your life that something online actually feels possible. Not someday, not with more experience. Not after you build a site, but right now. With what you already have, Allure AI removes every excuse: time, money, skills, experience. None of that matters anymore. And just to make this a complete no-brainer, you're fully protected by our 30-day no questions asked money-back guarantee. Use it, try it, activate it, get traffic, see your clicks, see your commissions. If it doesn't feel like the easiest, most powerful breakthrough you've ever experienced, you get every penny back. No forms, no hoops, no pressure, zero risk. So picture this. Later today, you open Allure AI on your phone. You paste a link. You choose a keyword. You click once and walk away. Hours later, you check your inbox. And for the first time ever, you see results. Not hope, not theory, not potential, but real clicks, real visitors, real money. This is that moment. The moment people dream about when they say, "I wish there was an easier way." The moment everything suddenly becomes simple. The moment you finally get what you've been missing all along. Click the button below. Activate Allure AI and let the easiest traffic you've ever experienced begin today.